guys, so today I'm here with IShow here. It's been a minute since I've gotten a wig from IShow. So this is the package. Let's see what's inside. So of course I'm seeing the wig first. Alright, I got a pair of wig caps. And they sent a Santa hat. How cute. And that's everything in today's package from IShow. So this is the wig that we're working with from IShow here today. It's very layered. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's layered. They say it's 28 inches long. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It has a natural color, like a 1B color. It's very full, very full. So I'm going to be sure to put the density and all of that in the description box. It is also a 13x4 lace front. Okay, it's very lightly. It's very lightly plucked, so you could definitely go in and pluck this further, as you can see. And you could go in and bleach it and tint it as well. Also, it comes with 3 combs in the inside of the cap and adjustable straps in the back. It looks, you know, pretty standard. Like, it's a standard straight wig. It looks pretty good. It's been a while since I've showed you guys a straight texture. So, you know, I'm happy to bring back a straight texture. It's been a while, as I said. So, yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this installation. So yeah, as you can see, it's so full at the top. Let's see where it catches me. It's all the way down. It's pretty long, as I said. Measuring up pretty nicely now. I'm going to be using my olive oil spray, fix-it spray, the super hold one, to lay today's wig. You know, I really like the fact that they, you know, gave this some nice layers. It's very pretty. You know, it looks very good. So I'm happy about that. So what I'm gonna do now is just jump to applying the fix-it spray, and I'm gonna just fast forward through that, just speed it up. You guys know the directions. You know, I put my blow dryer on cool air, get it really nice and flat and melted as possible, and it dries down so quick, so quick. So this is how it looks on you guys. Really nice and long and luscious. And the layers look really good. So before I move any further, what I'm going to go ahead and do is create a nice center part while the lace is melting. Just going to take my time and, you know, go through that with my hot comb, because as you can see, it's not as flat here at the top. So, you know, when you have wigs like this, you know, a hot comb is definitely so essential to like styling it and making it look its best and most realistic, especially since the roots don't come as flat, you know. hot comb, and this is how the hair is looking before I run my flat iron through it. Looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna, it's pretty straight already, but I'm just gonna, you know, fine tune it just a little bit, go over it with my flat iron and get it really nice and extra sleek and straight. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh wow. Look at that movement. Yes. Let me give you a back view. So you see guys, a wig like this straight out of the package can actually look good when you install it. Okay, despite the fact that it was bulky at the top and stuff, we worked on that, and you know, it still looks really, really, really bomb. And I love the movement. It's just so nice. And there isn't like a lot of flyaways. So gave us a pretty standard lengthy straight wig. Yeah, you know, so if you're just looking for something standard, this is your wig. Okay, it's definitely your wig. I'm going to be sure, I can't stop playing it, I'm going to be sure to go ahead, drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out, as well as the specifications. You know, those stuff are always listed down below. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. You know, I'm not always wearing a straight texture. I prefer waves and curls. But yeah, that's pretty nice. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite.